What's up, everyone? Today we're bringing you a pretty cool project we're just finishing up. It is a 1970 Chevelle convertible SS that we got some good old American muscle installed in this one. A big old LSX 454 made it to a 4L80E transmission, and it's putting down big old 620 horses of American horsepowers. Let's check it out. So I'll give you the old rundown what we got. Like I said, LSX 454, right from Chevrolet, 620 horsepower, 600 foot-pounds of torque. And it feels like it too. This thing will burn the tires from here till tomorrow. And then the next day, and even the next day maybe. Backed up 4L80E transmission that we have built up to withstand the power. It's a 3100 stall converter. This thing is all installed using our tried and true Holley accessory drive, Holley mounts, Holley pan, Holley headers, Holley everything. And why do we do that? Because it all works. No fuss, something you could easily install. Running a Holley Terminator X Max drive-by-wire transmission control. Starting to use these things on everything. Just starts, runs, tunes easily. It almost tunes itself. I mean, you probably should tune a little bit yourself, but it does almost tune itself. We're using a Griffin radiator, backed up by some big old electric fans. Vintage Air AC. We got the Hydrotech Hydro Boost. Full Willwood kit. Got 6 piston in the front, 4 piston in the back. It's riding on 20-inch American racing wheels. And that's about it up here. Let's go to the inside and see what we got going on in there. So I'm sure if you've watched any of our other videos, you know that there are some go-tos that we normally use, and that is Dakota Digital, Vintage Air, and well, that's about it. That's kind of our go-to. Super easy installation, works with LS electronics easily. This is a little fancier version of the Dakota Digital. I don't know if you can see it because of the glare, but normally they don't have the little LED screens. Kind of nice upgrade. They can change colors. It's nice. The radio is in the glove box now, so it still looks original on the inside, but hidden radio. Obviously still a column shift, so we're using a low car column shift rod kit, I guess you'd call it, whatever you want to call it. And that's about it for the inside here. Really clean. Mounted drive-by-wire pedal using a 2010 plus Camaro pedal. So if anybody at Holley tells you it doesn't work, they're lying. It works. And that is about it. So now the question is, what does 620 horsepower out of an LSX 454 sound like? Well, let's find out. Perfect startup thanks to this Holley Terminator. Can't get enough of it. Radio. It's nice. get this thing back over to the trailer, get her loaded up, get her on the way to the owner. She's a shaky. Woo! Got some powers. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this little video overview. We're gonna get this thing loaded up now. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. We'll get more of these going. We've got a couple more cars in the works here yet. Finish out this year. We'll see you on the next one.